fourth railway package is the single most significant change in railway legislation.
So if rail is to succeed, we have to have a single target system.
Railway transportation system should be able to compete with other transportation systems, and it is very important to have support in this process.
The certification of such a specific type of rolling stock is very costly.
The railways are the future of our transport because we have to minimize the impacts to the environment. I really believe that the railway transport is the safest mode of transport, not only in Europe but in the world.
What exactly is happening with vegan revision, for example, which is not harmonized? Why is this a challenge? Clients, the final clients, they need flexibility, simplicity, uniformity, speed and low cost.
Our aim is to create a favorable operating environment for digital services and new business models.
We have to implement a number of the methods and instruments in order to achieve what we have expected already those 7 years ago, means making the system more cost efficient, making it more competitive vis-à-vis the other transportation modes and better integrated.
By clear, I mean easy to read. So none of those legal mumbo-jumbo, please.
The fourth railway package is a strong European idea. And such a strong idea needs our support and collaborative effort.
Croissance, d'abord, je pense qu'il faut effectivement, comme je l'ai dit tout à l'heure, gommer les différences techniques dans les différents pays. Et ça va nécessiter des investissements financiers importants.
Necessitiamo di fare un passaggio ulteriore verso una integrazione del sistema ferroviario europeo.
For any case that is supposed to come in 2019, we need to start the discussion between the agency, the NSAs and the applicants as soon as possible.
Extrem wichtig, eine verlässliche Basis zu haben.
We got dramatically more stability in the project itself. We have dramatically reduced risk of changes throughout the process.
Ich sehe eine enge Verknüpfung zwischen der Regelwerksfestschreibung und der Übergangsphase.
We are very much concerned about the costs because we are not willing to pay for this in the end as the sector. This is why we encourage you, Josef, to fight for English as the single reference language and to make it very, very practical.
Only way really to meet the requirements to decrease the cost of authorizations will be to have a very strong process and a very good collaboration between agency, applicant and NSAs.
Ist das die große Herausforderung, wie wir die Innovation
Lasst uns global denken, lokal handeln. Wir brauchen den einheitlichen europäischen Verkehrsraum für die Zukunft, für die Mobilität und vor allen Dingen, um den Klimawandel zu stoppen.
Now, with all the tools in our toolbox, we need to stop talking and we need to start the actions.
If you make it a rule, it becomes a problem. If you don't make it a rule, it becomes the practice.
It so happens that the linguistic versions of the directives are not exactly the same.
How do we prevent that notified bodies will become the weakest part of the chain of vehicle authorization?
Good pre-engagement between the applicant and the authorizing entity will be key. And
we need the teamwork between the Commission, the agency, the Member States, the NSAs and the sector.
You have engaged with us. We have listened to you. Now we present you the results of our journey.